Lamentations chapter 1 vividly depicts the destruction of Jerusalem and the sorrow that followed, demonstrating the fulfillment of Jeremiah's prophecy about Babylon's invasion. Once a glorious city, Jerusalem is now likened to a lonely city, reflecting the weight of God's judgment. This lamentation, however, transcends sorrow, illustrating the consequences of disobedience to God. It also reveals God's merciful heart, as He offers the opportunity for repentance and prepares restoration. Lamentations chapter 1 beautifully portrays the balance of God's justice and steadfast love. Lamentations chapter 2 portrays the desolation of Jerusalem caused by God's judgment, vividly describing the city's suffering and Jeremiah's sorrow. Due to the people's sin and disobedience, the temple and the city were destroyed, and its inhabitants faced immense pain, illustrating God's righteous judgment. The suffering of children and women highlights the all-encompassing nature of divine retribution. Yet, this lamentation carries a call to repentance and a plea for God's grace, reminding us that His love and mercy endure even amidst judgment. Lamentations chapter 3 captures Jeremiah's profound sorrow, alongside his unwavering faith in God's mercy. Amid the suffering brought by Babylon's invasion, Jeremiah vividly recounts his pain and acknowledges the righteousness of God's discipline. Yet, he clings to hope, declaring that God's mercies are unending and renewed every morning. This illustrates that even in judgment, God's love and purpose for restoration prevail. Jeremiah's testimony reassures that in the depths of affliction, returning to God and seeking His mercy reveals His faithfulness and enduring compassion. Lamentations chapter 4 contrasts Jerusalem's past glory with its current suffering, highlighting that their tragedy is a direct result of God's righteous judgment. Once a radiant city, it now lies desolate, with its inhabitants enduring severe famine and pain. The chapter critiques the sins and corruption of its leaders, attributing the city's downfall to their misdeeds. Through this judgment, God reveals His justice, warning against sin and disobedience. It underscores the need for repentance and submission to God's will, prompting reflection on the balance of His love and justice. Lamentations chapter 5 is a heartfelt prayer for mercy amidst Jerusalem's desolation and Babylonian oppression. The people acknowledge their downfall due to their sins, confessing, "The crown has fallen from our head," and seek repentance and restoration. The chapter vividly depicts social suffering, such as the hunger of children and disregard for elders, showing the consequences of separation from God. In their despair, they plead, "Restore us to yourself, Lord," trusting in His unwavering love and mercy. This chapter teaches that God's justice and compassion work together to bring restoration even in suffering.